Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about vertical ombre with dip powder over polygel extensions. We will be using a Rossi Gel Pro kit that has everything you need to create beautiful nail extensions. Prep your nails by pushing back cuticles and buffing to ensure adhesion and long-lasting wear. Wipe the dust with a lint-free wipe. Paint a thin color of Rossi primer and let it dry for 30 seconds. Next, cover the natural nail with a thin layer of base coat and cure for 60 seconds in Rossi LED nail lamp. Apply polygel on the dual form. Here we choose the color white. Use a brush soaked in alcohol and move it gently to create the length of the nail. Place the form on the nail close to the cuticle and press firmly to avoid air bubbles. If you have spillage after you push down the form on your nail, just clean it with the brush and some rubbing alcohol before you cure it. Flip your hand around to smooth out and lengthen the product. After curing, you can carefully pop off the dual form. Remember, the dual forms are reusable. Next, file the nails to the desired shape using a nail file. File a bit on the nail so that the GLAM powder will adhere better, and skip the polygel top coat for now. Now, it's time to prepare your essential starter kit that includes base coat, activator, and top coat. From this moment, you won't need a UV light as GLAM powders cures with activator. Apply base coat to the entire nail. Dip a fluffy brush into Sun Sea Sand GLAM powder and tap the brush to sprinkle the powder over one half of the nail. Dip another clean brush into Sunseeker and sprinkle the other half. Use 2 clean brushes. Brush away the excess powder using a kabuki brush. Apply a second coat of Rossi Dip Base Coat and repeat to build your ombre look until you reach your desired thickness. For the next nail, we will be using Summer Morning with Sunseeker to create a rainbow look. Next, apply activator onto the nails and allow a few minutes for powder to harden. Smooth and refine the surface with a 100/180 buffer. Don't go too crazy with the buffing, you don't want to take out the design. Apply a thin coat of Rossi top coat and let it air dry. Add a second coat of top coat for super shiny nails. After the top coat has dried, massage Rossi Nourish Cuticle oil into the skin surrounding the nail plate. We recommend you to use it 3 to 4 times a week to keep your cuticles and nails hydrated. Rossi products are truly versatile and give you a possibility to create a desired outcome depending on your needs. Extend your nails without having to wait for them to grow and create an awesome vertical gradient using GLAM powders. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Stay home, stay safe!